something. That you're up to something.
Is this the energy you have now?
No, I'm good. Show the lemon, bro.
Boomba. Janta.
This lemon we took for Nathan.
Nathan. Currently I am using it. Hi, hello, namaste. So we are in second day of our trip.
Successfully.
Successfully. As of now, no one have no energy,
No sleep.
no sleep. So we slept around 3 a.m. So everyone are tired, and we woke up at 5 a.m. Lakshmita, see, this is the energy we have.
3 days zombie.
3 days zombie. This guy not slept yesterday. Yeah. Now sleep. ये भाई को देखो भाई को भाई ये भाई ये boy so where this don't leave our swag anywhere for whatever it is. If you are getting sleep also, you won't be able to recognize whether you are sleeping or not. So guys, please be aware, sleep early and wake up early. Don't do like us.
Why you are doing this?
It will be a waste of money, waste of time, everything. So maybe if we sleep again in the bus, I'll put some videos how it will be. Come on, bro.
It's here. Then continue.
Harris, वृंदावन में, मथुरापुरी में. राधे राधे. चाय पी लो चाय.
दोस्तों देखिए हम लोग चाय पी रहे हैं चाय पी रहे चाय
అంత మామూలు
అన్నం తిన్నావా
కాఫీ తాగి
టిఫిన్ తిన్నాడు అన్నం తిన్నాడు టిఫిన్ తిన్నాడు
టిఫిన్ తిన్నా
అర్థమైందా
అర్థమైందా రాజా? అర్థమైందా రాజా? So no one have energy in the bus, so everyone is sleeping over here. So we are going to river rafting. Nageshwar, where you are going?
I'm going for river rafting.
River rafting?
Yeah.
But we hear that it's just kayaking.
No, it's river rafting.
River rafting, man. Yo, man, where are you going? Jil jil irkala, jil jil. Jilik jilik jilakam, jilik jil.
Hero 1, Hero 2, and our Hero 3 is there. Far away.
Sushant, come.
Go that side.
Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಮಿಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು
ಹಾಂ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸಾಮ್ನ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್
Okay.
ಓಕೆನಾ
What is this, Nagesh? Want river rafting?
No.
It's kayaking.
It's all. It's all. You know, it's all. You know, it's swimming also. Let's say hi. Your YouTube channel name, bro?
It's Changsada.
Welcome to Chanchada Vlogs. Pedal, bro, back pedal. Back pedal. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೆಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Lakshmita.
face this side. Face this side, sir.
They are not growing. These are too close. Here, Visa. In water only. Water only, sir.
Crocodiles, right?
Elephants.
These are two crocodiles.
Guys, bend your heads. Bend your heads. Watch your heads.
Left bend. Okay, don't take
Bro,
left bend.
bend.
Ye menja. Ye kamanja.
Yeah, don't.
Too fast.
Bro, don't do.
Rhythm, bro. Rhythm, bro. Speed thrills but kills. Bro. What, bhai, Bunty? What happened, Bunty, guys?
बंटी तेरा साबुन स्लो है क्या?
Boys, Banjubal boys.
Subhash.
Subhash. Yes. Hey. Wait, come close.
Harris, where we are now?
We are at Kurg Country Resort. So here we just came, and here is spa also. Couple spa also, but I don't have couple. So yeah, so we are supposed to have bonfire here. We'll have lunch, then we will play some games, and we'll have bonfire.
Bonfire?
Bonfire, what did they call?
Campfire?
Oh, sorry, it's my mistake. Campfire. Swimming. Yeah, we have swimming pool also. We have we have all boys majority. So
Now,
boys will enjoy.
now everyone is energetic, I think.
Yeah, everyone is energetic. After that, the first day was like all the temples. Today we enjoy a lot. Now I am feeling my paise wasool.
Also, so you can see over here. Today we completed our breakfast in the morning, and then we planned to go to river rafting first. So we completed our river rafting. Now we are in our resort. This is our resort, County Resorts in Kushalnagar. So we have a swimming pool here and campfire. So here we are starting our enjoyment. So guys, please stay tuned with us. We will be updating everything to you. I will show you the glimpse of the resort which we staying here. Okay, it looks very nice. We'll see. This is how resort looks, and some people are already enjoying in the swimming pool. I will walk you through the resort now. Taran, taran, tarararan. Okay, campfire is here, and this is the play area. This is zag. Zagrak. So coffee plants are over here. If you guys want a coffee seeds, then you can pluck it from here. See? Coffee.
Coffee, Nescoffee.
What is this? Honey farming. Honey. So honey farming also there here.
Oh, thank God. Yeah, Nathan. Oh! No.
Okay, no, ready.
Ready?
Ready, bro. Stop.
Come. This is Kaveri Nisargadama. It's in Kushal Nagara. So we are walking in the hanging bridge now, and it's already 4:15. The
organizer with us.
the entry time till 5 p.m. we have. So here we are, and we'll see what and all will happen. You guys wanna go for a boating? Yeah, bro. Yeah, we'll go for a boating then. Yay! Nagesh! How are you? The yo-yo man. Johnny sits. Where are we, Lakshmita? ನಿಸರ್ಗಧಾಮ ಕಾವೇರಿ ನಿಸರ್ಗಧಾಮದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೆಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್
Guys, you're still.
Yeah, come on guys. So one more team is here. You're going to dash or what? ದಾಯ್ತಂದು ಮುಳ್ಳು ನಾವು ದಾಯ್ತಿಗೆ ಬತ್ತೀನಿ ಫುಲ್ ಪೆದ್ರು ದಾಯ್ತ ಮನ್ಪೈನ ಈಗ ದಾಯ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ ದಾಯಂಜ ಮನ್ಪುರ
Lift your hand. Be cool and calm, Jabu. You are my cousin's shoulder. Touch it.
ಮಾಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಂತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರೆಲ್ಲ
ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಂತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Jambo, be cool and calm, buddy. You are my cousin's shoulder.
Bro, what's his name?
Iguana.
Iguana.
Call it Jumbo.
Jumbo. Bro is like a statue. Relax. आराम से cool.
Jumbo, be cool and calm, buddy.
Oi. You should see here. What is sound, bro? Hey, Vishal, man. Go hand. Careful. Hi, guys. Hello. How are you? Tell her, how are you feeling now?
First time. Proud. Only this. They suddenly come to hand.
Great.
Now rotate. Trip vasool, bro.
Vasool.
Paisa vasool.
No, bro. It will see whether we have anything or not. It will go.
We have so many deers over here. Deer. How to pronounce this? Deer or deer?
That is what we are arguing about.
Huh?
We are arguing about this only. What do we pronounce?
I pronounce deer.
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 I know, right? Deer thing.
Illiterate.
Deer.
What is it? B-double-E-R. Beer. What? Beer, bro.
Which one?
B-double-E-R.
B-E-A-R.
Bear. Bear.
That's beer.
That is bear.
Come, let's have some speak. No. Come. Hey, Salman Khan. What you guys are doing?
Nagesh, one shot it is going very vulgar.
Come on.
No, I don't know.
Two brave girls. You can do it.
Yeah,
function? What is going on?
Yeah, music also disturbing. We are expecting some girls here, but unfortunately we have like senior citizens and uncles. But no worries. The most exciting part is here of our trip. We have campfire, and we will do like singing, dancing, cards. Some people have alcohol also. I don't drink. My brother, I brought him. He also don't drink. He arrange everything, but he don't drink. I don't think I like it about him. Tell me something about me. Oh,
Bro.
This guy is soon leaving us. This is the first and last trip with him, but it's
That is one of the saddest thing we have.
saddest thing we have, the regret.
We will miss you.
He also don't want to come, but Venkat and everyone like snatch him here. But it's with bro, it's pleasure with me. We learn lots of from you. Bro, you're calm, your personality is very good. Whatever it is. I like that, bro.
Guys, why you came up? See, he is the bad boy. Main culprit of this gang.
Gang leader.
Gang leader.
Nageshwar.
Bro, you can count, bro.
Chamba count, bro.
Okay, yeah, I will keep the second, bro, yeah.
What, bro?
29, 30.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
He's organizing.
See, Utkarsh.
Yes, everything is recorded.
Yaraj, what's happening?
Nothing, bro. These people cling to truth and dare.
Okay.
So we get some secrets from. So I am afraid of people. They let
So never ever try this one.
never try, bro. Your hair, but.